Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can make your photos look cool and awesome, just awesome by using this app. This app is very useful. You can see its name. Its name is Photoshop. It is a very useful app. It has very many cool and effects and many features which will just make your photo look awesome. So you can check its downloads. It is 100 million plus downloads. 4.4 it has rating and reviews. Everyone is saying it's a very nice software and else. And this is a very useful app. I will tell you its basic, like it's some features which will make your photo look cool and which will change the look of your photo. So you can install this app from Play Store. I have installed this, so I will open it. So let's begin into it. It is loading. I have imported the photo which I want to edit. So we can put so many filters on it, like many features. This is looking funny. Yes, this is a very cool. This is looking cool. I will go with it. It is looking very cool to me. These are also very good features. Oh, these are paid. I will stop you. I will edit your video in free. I am here to tell you the ways, bro. Why you are the intention? Why you want to do when I am here? You know. Don't go with premium. I will not suggest you, and I will stop you to buy premium, to waste your money. You can see it is looking cool. You don't want to crop it, bro. Correction. You can do some yes, it is looking good here. I can check many other things, like yes, I want speaking. It is a very cool feature to use. It always makes your photos look so much good. Like you can see, the photo is totally changed. I can also put any type of text on the photo. Like you can see, the photo is totally changed, and I can also do many other things with this photo. And I think this is cool, or this. Tell me in the comments. This is cool looking, or this is. Which should I go, bro? I am not understanding. Every effect is very cool here. I think this is the cool effect. I will go with it. This is looking cool. We can also check the many other filters, like there are many, but this is very cool. I have become the fan of it, bro. Feather. Okay, I understand this. And go to blur. We don't want to blur it, bro. It is premium corrections. If I can do then it will look like this. If I will do then it will this. So I will make it a little bit sharp. Make your photo look sharper, but not this much. Okay, till this. Yes, clarity. We don't want clarity. We want it to look like this. So bro, how do you think your photo is looking like this? Not very cool, not a very look like awesome, but after applying the effects on the photo, your photo will like you can even like imagine your photo is looking like this, and suddenly it can look like this. You can see the difference between the expressions. His expressions are not clear here, but after applying this editing, his expressions are like seriously like clear so much. The background is not only he is showing and the effects with it. It is a very cool, bro. It is a very cool app. I really like this. Like just it it makes you feel good to see like this photo to this. Like it is like a magic. So just click next, save to gallery. Your photo has been saved to the gallery. So tell me in the comments, have you liked this video? If you, then click on the like button, subscribe our channel. We will meet you in the next video. Bye till then.